The banana trunks are first loaded onto a conveyor belt, where high-pressure water jets and rotating brushes remove impurities. The banana trunks are first loaded onto a conveyor belt and fed into the washing drum. High-pressure water
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.
The trunks are vigorously scrubbed by rotating brushes and high-pressure water jets, effectively removing the stubborn outer layers. The process begins as the banana trunks are fed into the machine. High-speed circular saws precisely The process begins with thorough cleaning. High-pressure water jets remove impurities from the banana trunks as they move along the conveyor.
The banana trunks are fed directly into the industrial machine, where high-speed rollers and blades separate the fibers.
The conveyor belt carries the peeled trunks through the high-pressure steam, beginning the retting process.
The process begins as the trunks are fed into the rollers. The machine efficiently separates the raw materials.
The mixture of fibers and pulp is deposited onto the conveyor belt, where high-pressure water jets begin the separation process. Utilizing modern machinery, the raw banana fibers are precisely compressed between these heavy rollers, transforming them into a uniform sheet.
Mill, hang pipe. The fibers enter the steaming chamber. Here, the pressurized steam cleanses it area.
As the fibers travel along the conveyor, they pass under powerful heat lamps. The result.
This precise application of the enzymatic solution helps to break down the matrix, resulting in isolated cellulose. Once dried, the fibers are carefully bundled by the automated system for the next stage of processing.
Quality control is paramount. A high-resolution laser scans the fiber structure, feeding critical data to the analysis software in real time. As the white banana fibers are fed into the machine, the rotating drum combs and separates them, aligning the strands into a continuous web.
The raw banana fibers are drawn through a series of pressurized rollers, aligning the strands and increasing their tensile strength.
Utilizing state-of-the-art industrial machinery, the white banana fibers are precisely processed and aligned for textile production. The digital display provides a precise reading of the fiber's tension, ensuring consistent quality across the batch. Here, the multi-axis braiding mechanism interweaves the fibers with high-speed precision, forming a dense rope around the central button. The extracted fibers are then precisely twisted by the automated machinery, forming a durable and sustainable rope. The banana fiber rope is precisely fed into the trimming mechanism, where high-speed rotating brushes remove excess. The fibers are then loaded onto a conveyor belt and moved into the industrial washing machine, where high-pressure nozzles apply. A caramel-coated rope moves along the conveyor belt through this specialized heated tunnel. The flames provide the precise temperature needed to dry and set the coating efficiently.
Here we see the mechanical separation process. As the binding agents crack away, the valuable, long, golden fibers are revealed beneath.
To create the fibers, the raw material is first guided through a series of massive rollers, which apply intense pressure. The banana fibers are then formed into coils and collected in a large concrete pit before moving to the next stage of processing. To ensure the integrity of the finished rope, a robotic arm applies a tight wrap of industrial tape, protecting the fibers from damage. The raw fibers are loaded onto racks before the high-pressure steaming process begins, ensuring purity and strength. The macro lens reveals the intricate damage. These are the raw banana fibers, showing clear signs of stress and abrasion.
Advanced robotics ensure the fibers are securely wrapped, ready for the next stage of production. The extracted banana fibers are now fed into the industrial loom, where they are rapidly woven into durable nets. Utilizing the tensile strength of the banana fibers, the machine interlocks the thick ropes to form a precise, resilient net. The extracted banana fibers are then woven into dense industrial nets, seen here moving along the main conveyor toward the drying stage.
This is where the raw banana fibers are fed into the industrial looms.
Here, the fibers are fed into the combing machine, which precisely aligns the strands for weaving.
The extracted golden brown fibers are then rapidly wound onto large industrial spools with extreme precision.
Once extracted, the gray banana fibers are wound onto industrial spools before being transported.
The extracted banana fibers are fed into an automated loom, rapidly interlacing to create a durable, sustainable textile.
This modern machinery allows for the precise and efficient weaving of the banana fibers into a durable textile.
A macro view reveals the intricate weave of the banana fibers, highlighting their natural texture and durability.
The extracted fibers are then carefully woven into textiles, showcasing their remarkable strength and texture.
The massive rolls of natural fiber are precisely unwound by the industrial machine, feeding the coarse material.
Automated guided vehicles transport the finished fiber rolls to storage, ensuring a streamlined and efficient process.
Utilizing a light table allows for a precise quality control check, revealing imperfections and ensuring the consistency of the natural fibers. This singeing process removes the coarse, loose fibers, creating a smoother, more uniform finish required for textiles. Here, the raw banana fiber fabric is submerged into a specialized dye bath, ensuring a rich, consistent color.
The rinsing stage is critical, as high-pressure water cascades over the fibers, removing any remaining lignin and impurities.
The pressurized rollers remove excess water, smoothing and flattening the fibers into a uniform sheet.
The fibers are now entering the stretching phase. The heated rollers remove moisture, ensuring a consistent and durable textile.
The extracted banana fibers are then fed into a high-tech dyeing vat, where they rapidly absorb the vibrant blue color.
The calendaring process uses heat and pressure to give the blue fabric its final smooth finish.
The banana fibers are fed into large heated rollers, pressing and drying the material into a uniform sheet.
After extraction, the raw banana fibers are processed into textiles, moving efficiently along the conveyor system. The extracted banana fibers are then woven into sheets, which undergo rigorous quality control through automated optical scanning. automated system utilizes precision robotics to transfer the heavy textile rolls directly onto the main conveyor line for processing. The finished banana fiber fabric is then sealed in a protective polymer wrap using a precise heat application process.
The automated robotic arm precisely lifts the processed banana fiber fabric from the conveyor belt.
The extracted banana fibers are then compressed by a hydraulic press, shaping the material into a precise circular form for textiles.
Once processed, the banana fibers exhibit excellent water repellency, making them ideal for various applications.
The banana fibers are then spun and woven into these colorful textiles, moving efficiently down the conveyor belt for packaging.
Here we see the automated sorting stage. The robotic arms meticulously guide the newly spun banana fiber textiles along the line.
Once the fibers are extracted, they are precisely labeled for quality control. This ensures every batch meets the high standards required for manufacturing.
Once processed, the banana fibers are spun and woven into these large rolls, ready for shipping.
The process of converting banana trunks into durable fibers is complex, requiring precision machinery and a controlled environment.
To create high-quality banana fibers, the process starts with the careful transportation of the raw trunks from the plantation to the factory.
Once processed, the banana fibers are packed into these containers, ready for transport across the globe.